Thank you guys for tuning in to 14er Finisher YouTube channel, where Laura and Steve do all things mountain climbing and four-wheel related. On this week's episode, we tackle the Sunrise Peak Trail from the Lost Dog Wash Trailhead. This route is about 6 miles in length, and it has 1,300 vertical feet of gain. It's an extremely scenic route, and this route will always be remembered as the place where Laura got a rude introduction to her first teddy bear cholla, aka Jumping Cactus. And we've got it all on film, so stay tuned. Sunrise Peak is one of the southernmost summits in the McDowell Sonoran Preserve, and this area is known for extremely well-groomed and well-maintained trails, and they're also well-signed and well-marked. Laura got hit by a jumping cactus. Let's play that back in slow-mo.
Oh, get it out of me! Oh, you're right up. Where did you go? Ah! Okay. Oh my God, Laura, how did that happen, babe? I don't know. Ow! Oh my God. Okay, relax.
A teddy bear cholla isn't easy to remove. I wasn't able to do it with my hands, but finally, after using my car keys, I was able to get it out of there. I asked Laura if she wanted to head down, but she said she was okay, so we proceeded to the summit.
Totally worth it, Sunrise Peak.
Oh yeah, you did it. How does it feel?
Oh, it's breathtaking. If you have not already done so, check out our content on our YouTube channel. We release new mountain climbing and four-wheeling weekly. Don't forget to subscribe.